present on-screen commentary of some incidents to help viewers understand each situation, and comment educational feedback to enhance the knowledge of drivers. Before we begin, please make sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Enjoy watching.
Life itself. Think about moments in your life when you felt in love with life. When you saw the light dancing through the leaves on the sidewalk. And you, for a moment, realized how simple that is and how it's beautiful. Think of the moments.
I've seen it before. Oh, that one right there? Yeah. I'll go over there. I don't like how you do that.
That's the turn. That's the turn.
Oh! Fucking Christ, dog.
Holy guacamole. Okay, that one was not my fault.
That was what the hell is he doing?
Holy.
If you need to, you can bring it to me and I can put it in the back. Oh my God.
What?
That was a really horrific car accident.
Oh no.
I'm going to get out and make sure the people in that car are okay. And I'm going to call the police right now.
Oh no. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm really annoyed.
I'm calling 911.
Anywhere fans go to cheer on their team, there are behind-the-scenes MVPs ensuring everything is game day ready. We see you, Joe, fixing the seats so every fan can enjoy every game. And Allie, who keeps her stadium running smoothly from the moment the first game starts to the last play of the season.
So, what are these buttons for? So comfy. Ah! I'm burning! Ah! Out! Oh no! No, no, no! Not me!
The sound is so powerful. And what's this? Yeah, this is fun. Not my fault.
Time to try this beauty.
Huh? Simply the best. It's perfect. The engine is so powerful.
Oh, yummy. Oopsie.
The race is on.
What have you done? You ruined it. You'll have to pay for this car. Come with me. Cash your card. Good. Approved. Congrats on your purchase. You deserve it.
Look at that guy.
Well, what happened?
I don't know, but I got it on video.
We call 911. How did that happen?
I have no idea why that guy was speeding so fast.
Is he okay?
YouTube UV Octo Baby Live at Sphere. A jaw-dropping visual experience.
Tune in for YouTube news every weekday at 7/11/5. Go to Cubo7.com and enter
Like the pay is waking me up now. Before I was tired.
Someone honking at you?
No, this truck driver trying to cut me off, man. Bro, like I'm right in the lane, right? And he's forcing the lane change. This guy's a mother. Oh, I have the right of way, you idiot. I'm going straight. Like, what's wrong with you? Fucking idiot. Oh, he's right behind me telling me. What the wrong with you? What's wrong with you, man? Oh, he's tailing me. He's actually tailing me. Oh my god, I have a dash cam, bro. Holy shit, he's trying to hit me, bro. He's trying to, bro. Oh, he's trying to hit me. What the? What? He's trying to hit me, bro. What the?
Why is the guy tailgating you? Did you cut him off?
No, I'm going in straight in the right lane, and he forced his way in. He almost tried to hit me. Like, you know when you're in the right lane, and the guy's like forcing his lane change, but you have the right of way. He's forcing his way, like as if I have to let him in. I don't have to let him in. It's not like merge, bro. It's like you know, he's trying to get off.
So you didn't let him.
You yelled, I'm Stacks.
Yeah, the name's Stacks McFadden.
Stacks McFadden's a great name.
I pushed my dad off a building.
Very cool. I have 5 parents.
Wow.
I kind of don't know them very
Could you
well.
push them off a building?
Well, we actually don't have buildings in my planet because we're all underwater, and if I did push one off, it wouldn't really matter because we're underwater.
Pull over. To what? Oh, the Airbnb? I got about Airbnb. Yeah, I remember. Kidding me! Bro, it's on dash. Oh my god. I am.
start med units. It means in third. And I have a class.
It's a great point by Doggy. If it is Miami, Damian Lillard and Jimmy Butler are on the same timeline. So in some ways, Stephen A., I agree that is sort of what makes sense. I think they're both 33 years old right now, and both locked up for a number.
The late 60s, halfway into the 70s, before that final end, that famous picture, the video of the helicopters leaving the American embassy. So people were tired.
Shit, baby. Oh!
What happened?
Oh, she's
Yeah, I know, buddy. I understand. I just turned into a really bad day. Oh!
Oh my god.
That's a lawyer's office.
Your wife, young, lovely, gentle, sensible. Sensible? Well, she said nothing but yes and no. She did not say much more, I must confess, but then she always said yes or no in the right place.
God damn.
Used different names for them yesterday. Steve was home, Amy was away.
Oh my gosh, bear.
In his doorway.
Ah! That's why I told you. Oh.
You
okay? Are you okay? Ouch.
Are you okay?
Yes.
This morning.
I told you.
Were you wanting to do blood work again, or did you want to hold off?
Oh, I'm sorry, I just saw an accident. Yeah, we can do blood work again.
Okay.
or die, and if so, who? Forget
hate to
that.
have this discussion.
All right, skip that one. And, oh, wait, Gary's got an answer. Go ahead.
Oh.
I'm just looking. I have a list up here.
A great time not being able to work for 2 weeks.
What the?
Either y'all are turning right, or you guys are turning right. Are you okay? Are you okay?
My arm.
Are you okay?
Yeah. What the?
Are you kidding me? Take a video or something.
Take a picture of the before they like shoot you down. Are you kidding me?
Call 911?
Do you have a license plate number?
I don't know. I'm like,
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I can hear him. We can hear Chisley. I can't hear him. I can't tell you why, but I get the feeling Caffrey's up to something.
IT must not have activated your ID yet.
Type in yours.
With 24 cruise Granite missiles with 8 torpedo tubes in the bow. The Granite missiles have a range of 340 miles and are capable of supersonic flight at an altitude over 12 miles high. They're designed to swarm enemy vessels.
are you
I don't belong.
After the death of Indiana Republican Congresswoman Jackie Walorski, she was killed along with 2 staffers and another person in a 2-car crash in her district. Indiana Attorney General Todd Rokita got to know her well when she was a state
Electrician killed in Las Vegas. Jesus Christ, dude. Well, here I go.
Yaptı. Bu işte. Pekala. Ben Cedric diyeceğim.
Evet, şüphelendiğim gibi Cedric. Evet Gary. Cedric için yanıyorsun.
Gary'nin Cedric diyeceğine emindim ama ben Gary diyemem. Başta beni yazmadın çünkü. Şimdi defol. Sanırım stratejik olarak Romain demem gerekiyor. Romain tuhaf bir...
Que vas a poder elegir el modelo que va a utilizar. Yo en este caso voy a utilizar estos tres primeros, dependiendo de la imagen. Te recomiendo utilizar estas dos primeras cuando quieras generar rostros o personajes. Y para utilizar Midjourney recuerda...